911. I've got 3 dead babies right here. They're bleeding. They're my knees are at these kids. I don't know what to do. I'm just put them to sleep. Oh my God, please hurry. They're all dead. They're all bleeding to me. Please hurry.
23 Tom. Hey, boss, LG 23. Fire's still trying to do something over here.
Make sure traffic fire knows where they're at.
Oh my God. I can't. Oh my God.
Get her and get her out.
Move out of the way. Here, I'll get this one.
Where were they?
They were taking a nap right here. Oh my God.
Maybe 28 total. Woodchuck.
Yeah.
Get her out.
28 on working 3 pediatric codes.
It's 15 and 2, right?
Yeah, the copter here.
Just keep doing compressions. Keep doing compressions. Hey, were they in water or were they on the bed?
They were laying right there.
Let's check their eyes. Check their
She
eyes.
put him down for a nap a while ago.
Check their eyes.
Oh my God.
Okay, get that. Check their eyes.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Rigor, man. Yeah. They rigor? Yeah.
This one's not. Right here in the car.
Get this right.
Just keep going, no breaths, nothing.
Two older ones are both rigor.
Come on, baby.
This one right here? The 2 older ones are rigor.
Want to take over?
So is she. They're all rigor.
Does that mean it's... Do we keep going?
Hey, they're all rigor. They're all rigor.
Look at her neck. Look at this one. They're all rigor.
Yeah. She's got pooling. Okay. Hey, officer. Stop.
What the fuck are these people doing?
She's saying they gave him medication. I don't...
What'd they give them?
She's saying she gave him medicine before they all 3 went to sleep. I didn't talk to her. That's what 911 told us.
What happened? Does anybody...
I put him down
Medicine?
to take a nap and I didn't check on him and I thought they were sleeping.
Can I get your name, ma'am?
Rachel Henry.
Rachel Henry?
My baby.
All right, Aunt, we'll walk down there. What time did you just get back?
Me and her just got back. We went. Me and Rachel, I ordered a pizza.
Was there anybody here?
Yes. It was their dad.
He's been laying on the couch since he got home. And then we went to go get a pizza. That's what I thought. My dad came home and he was laying on the couch and I told him to watch him.
The kids have been asleep since before he got home from work. He didn't do anything to the kids. The kids have been asleep since when he got, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Since before he got home from work. They were asleep when he got home, and he was asleep on the couch as well.
Okay.
And what happened was this. My nephew's older son, he lives with my mother in Oklahoma.
Okay.
And so I put Messenger on, and I left my phone with Pedro. I woke up Pedro because he was sleeping. I woke him up, and I said, hey, he wants to talk to you. He wants to talk to his dad. Talk to him. So I got him. It was ringing at the time. I had it in my phone, and I said, come on, Rachel, we're going to go to get the pizza I just ordered. I left my phone with Pedro. We ran to Domino's and came right back.
Not far.
That was, maybe like 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
And then when you guys got back...
When we got back, Pedro said, Tia, come here. He was hysterical. He said, I checked on the kids why they were still asleep. Why were they still sleeping at this time? I was going to wake them up because they'll be up all night.
Right.
He said, the babies are dead.
So that's sister or niece.
That's Aunt.
That's aunt.
Right.
Pedro is nephew who was inside.
Okay.
And
We have
Rachel is
all
his girlfriend.
interviewing parties here, so let's just.
I didn't really start talking to him like what happened. All this. I'm not gonna wait.
No, just so we could just get basic information. But
Like,
yeah, everyone that's on this property that's lives here or was here.
Yeah, it's her husband.
Yeah, we
who
need to make
owns-
contact.
Saying the dad of the kids in the backyard.
Oh, was that the guy over there?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's been here the whole time.
He looked quite distraught, and he told us it was over here.
Why would he be down the street and not here with his babies?
You all right? We're gonna have to go to the front of the house, Kay. Let's go over here real quick, Kay. they'll talk to you over there. You all right? Let's go. We gotta go over here this way. You all right? Do you need someone to talk to? Are you the father, sir? Yeah. To all three? Pedro? Your middle name's... Okay. How long have you lived here?
8 months.
Who owns?
It might be close to a year.
Who owns the house?
My uncle.
So you just rent it, or you stay here?
Yeah. You only have one child? Three? But the one's Rios and the other two are Henry?
Okay, copy that. We're leaving the traffic air media showing up.
What do you do there? Just a landscaper?
Yes.
I live here. This is my house.
This is your house?
Listen, I live
Rachel
here.
stays with you.
They were they were staying with me, and then I kicked them out.
Okay.
No, I didn't kick them out. They went to stay somewhere else because we had a bunch of problems. My nephew started a bunch of shit with my husband and me and all kinds of shit.
Okay.
So then they wouldn't let me see the kids for about 5 weeks. So then, and I kept going over there and calling, and she put the cops on me if I went to look for them again. So then one day she called me and said, come get the kids. They had no place to stay. They were in the street.
Okay.
And I said, okay. I said, well, you know what? The kids can stay, but you can't.
Okay.
And so I brought the kids here, and I had them for about...
why can't she stay? Is there a history?
They steal from me. They steal from me. They lie.
History of drugs?
They steal from me. They lie. It's just a bunch of bullshit.
How is she not crying? No.
Oh my God.
Are they under any type of medication? Are they on any type of medication? Or asthma? Anything?
The babies?
Yeah.
Just what she gives them. She probably gave them some medicine to go to sleep. If I know her, like
medicine as in like what? Like
I don't know, maybe Tylenol. I don't know.
NyQuil?
No, NyQuil.
I don't know.
She gives them baby Tylenol.
Baby Tylenol?
We went to WIC today to try and because they were sick. And we were trying to get an appointment, and I told her his aunt so many times, please take me to the doctor, please take me to the doctor, and she wouldn't. And I've been giving them some ibuprofen because they're sick and they have brain fever, they're not feeling good, and the baby's teething, and they had fevers and everything, and she still wouldn't take them to the doctor. She never wanted to take them to the doctor.
You know what? She gives him too much medicine. She's always giving him medicine.
Landscaping.
Always giving him medicine. Always.
You know what kind of medicine?
Just all that medicine that's in the drawer. All the
I mean,
medicine that's in the drawer. What the hell did she
already
have
took
given
them out?
them? You know what? The girl is weird.
Who? Rachel?
No. Please, no. Please, no.
You know, and I told Pedro, I said, Pedro, the girl is weird. I'm afraid we're gonna come home one day and find her drowning the kids in the tub or something. I swear, oh my God.
There you go. Okay, follow me. We're gonna roll this way. This way. Still got one more coming, right? Two more. Two more, okay. Yeah. Thank you. Go ahead, have a seat right over there. Right in there. And then somebody's gonna talk to you. Go ahead, have a seat.
State your name and date of birth.
Henry, 8/26/97.
I would note, Judge, for the court that it is probably hard to find somebody who had a role in this case who hasn't been affected by it. You read the letter from the victim's aunt talking about how this has affected her, how it's affected the children's father, the police officers and the fire and medical personnel who responded to that scene that day. Some of the personnel, the first responders, are still in therapy. and have been affected by what happened, even though this was 5 years ago.
Rachel Henry has pleaded guilty to murdering her 3 kids. Online court records show the 27-year-old is scheduled to be sentenced in February. Henry admitted to smothering her 3 young kids to death. Phoenix police identified them as 3-year-old Zane Henry, 1-year-old Mariah Henry, and 7-month-old Catelia Rios.